Traveling to tropical paradises can be sensational, but sometimes being off the grid can be challenging. Skin infections are a burden and invisible enemy in the Solomon Islands. Any cut or pimple, as soon as it touches the salty water, can get badly infected. In fact, during World War II, more troops died from infections than battle wounds. And our friend Pat has been in bed with a fever for the past few days, battling an enormous infection in his arm, and it's spreading quickly.
This is the story of a sailboat named Sylvia and the ragtag crew that call her home. Join us each week as we explore our planet, both above and below the surface, and find out what it's really like to live a life at sea. This is Expedition Drenched.
Morning, as always, in a new anchorage. Good morning, Peanut. Hola, good morning.
Get this. I just want a shower. That's all the man wants.
We'll see your arm.
There's his arm, which is surprisingly is significantly better. It has soap on it, but that is quite a bit better than yesterday. So we're going in the right direction. Yeah.
I thought we were gonna cut you open to get all the juice.
No, people were excited. People were excited.
We don't get a lot for entertainment on the boat, so when things like that go down, we're like, ooh, we could cut him open. But we got him some strong antibiotics, and he's on the up and up. But literally, he was in bed for like 2 days straight, not moving, not eating. I was so close to, rushing him to the hospital, but I think he's on the up and up.
Last night was getting late, but Pat was feeling worse and worse, and we needed to get him stronger antibiotics. The locals told us that there was a clinic in a nearby bay. No hesitating, we head to Drenched, unaware of the upcoming storm.
Of course, we started our mission, but they said that it's gonna take like an hour walk. So yeah, we decided to go with the dinghy there. I would rather walk, but it's getting late and Pat needs that as soon as possible, so we're taking it. Thank you, bye bye. They were laughing at us because we were getting wet. Oh yeah, here we go.
Weather, not good weather, but it stopped raining. But the water is so calm.
Train.
Yeah.
You train there?
They get the blade and they are giving us like stronger antibiotics for him and hopefully it works. Yeah, this is the legal clinic and the nurse is super nice. Okay, 8 hours. Right? Okay. Thank you. We got this. Thank you very much.
And we're gonna go back in our expedition train. To Sylvia.
Yeah. Go. Well done, team. We are heading back. We wanted to wait a little bit for the rain to stop, but it's getting dark and we are going to a shallower part now. So yeah, we have to keep going. So thank you very much for your hospitality. Thank you very much, Kawe.
Maybe see you on Wednesday. Yeah.
And you can also watch the video. Okay? That was super cool. I love it. And
Come on, everybody.
Come on, everybody.
So cold.
Human heat, human heat.
Guapa, where are we going?
We are going to this beautiful village. Apparently there are lovely kids, and we are going to meet the chief to ask if we can stay here, if it's all good, and to get some more information about the scuba places, to pay a little custom fee, and yeah, discover a new paradise.
Let's go for it. Boom, 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 boom. Engine on.
Hello, I'm Chloe from Belgium.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. I thought.
We're friends with Adam Beard, who is part of the big liveaboard scuba boat that comes here. So he told us we must come say hello.
Yeah.
And, we do scuba,
Okay.
and we are photographers. So we go around and photograph villages and scuba diving. And he did tell me that you guys do like a custom events.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, if you could, we'll be maybe here a couple days. We like to pay for our mooring fee,
Okay.
and we have donations for kids. And if you need things, you let us know. But we have a total of 8 on the boat.
Yeah.
We're always down for trade, fruits, veggies. We've got stuff to trade as well.
Okay. Yes.
Where did that go? Interesting. I think everybody that has some doubts of what's actually like happening or how to organize everything, but they seem really, really welcoming and nice. He was really, really like
Beautiful.
like warm.
Beautiful
Warm.
village
Yeah.
as well.
Definitely shyer than other villages we've seen.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing, they don't see as many visitors here. So that definitely might be why they're a little bit more shy and quiet, like kind of like scoping us out. So anyway, but in all, they're friendly, and Chief Raymond seems like a good guy.
We're heading to Kiribati Point, which we've been told by many people is one of their favorite dives here in the Solomons. So the liveaboard, Bellini, were super nice enough to give us some information and tell us where we should go diving and let us use their mooring ball, as I mentioned. Are you excited? Yeah. All right, here we go.
rice. I give them some raisins. Every time I give them anything, it's like weird. They don't know what to do with it, and then they're like, "You have rice?" So just give them rice and some sunglasses. I always give them. But we got 16 coconuts and some papayas. So I've been feeding my man some coconut water, getting him better, getting his electrolytes. I think it's my boy Pat.
Boy, Pat.
I think it's working.
Can I see the beast?
You want to see it? Oh, that's what it looks like now. This is after 12 hours of good antibiotics, but over 24 hours of antibiotics. We've gotten here.
Is this looking good?
This is, surprisingly, this is looking really good. This is a good looking arm.
How many people can you take in this canoe? The most?
5 or 6.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Peanuts in like a field of coconuts. We had did a little trading and we had some papayas on the ground and she just started like eating them from the outside. We put the papayas in and now she's just sniffing all the coconuts trying to work out how she can get inside.
Do you girls have school? Yes. Not today though? I have some things for you. Little ones. There's some crayons and a little coloring book. Okay?
Woohoo! Look, come. Come.
Here she comes.
She's very good.
Yeah, good piggy. And I'm just pumping tanks away from just a chill day of scuba duba, but we're gonna go do like a village visit tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna get good sleep tonight. Or I might go on a night dive instead, who knows?
As the night fell, what do you think that Nate chose to do?
It is a dark and stormy night, literally, like lightning flashing everywhere. And Chloe gets a bee up her bottom. She wants to go night diving. And she knows me well enough that she pushes it more than once. I'm going. So here we go. That's cool. I like having friends like that. So, and Emily is a friend amongst friends. Our hero. And we owe her 3 drives by now.
This is my second night dive and I'm really excited because the previous one was more lobstering. This is like beautiful coral, I think one of the most beautiful sights I've ever done, so I'm very excited about that. The thing I'm a little bit scary about is that there might be crocodiles in Bristol Islands. I've been talking to myself for almost an hour now. I'm alone on the dive dinghy.
watching the stars and the moon that is almost full. It's a pretty nice night tonight, and I'm waiting for the others to come up at the surface, Tornate and Chloe. And the good thing about being on the dive dinghy duty at night is that you see their lights from underwater, which is super clear. And the others are about to come up, so I'm really excited to hear what they have to say about this amazing dive site at night.
Yeah, it's a good dive.
Thank you, Emily.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome.
Next time in Expedition Drenched, we visit Chief Raymond because the village has come together to prepare a fabulous jaw-dropping custom dance and a music band.
Yeah, Tupac's girlfriend.
Yup.
It's Tupac's girlfriend. You want to explain what's going on here?
So as Chloe said, I'm going to find my husband today.
Yeah.
I'm looking for Tupac Jr.
Yeah.
Who's Tupac Jr.?
There's a kid that we met yesterday that looked like Tupac. I gave him some Drenched sunglasses. He gave me 8 coconuts. It was a good trade. But anyway.
And they are teasing me about it because I look like Tupac's girlfriend.
You're good. Alright, go get that wood girl.
Come on. Go. What happened, Ocean?
What did they say? They were like, go, we gotta go now. Be ready now, what are you doing? Like, still on your breakfast? Yeah. And then I rush. I don't find my freaking banana and I rush. As usual, when I arrive at the back, planes change and, oh no, finally we're not going.
It's because it was on Friday.
It's on Friday. Yeah.
How disappointing, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna swear to see you right now.
Okay. Don't say that on camera.